My track lighting has stopped working. It suddenly failed a couple of weeks ago. Firstly, we tried changing all the bulbs. This had no effect. Next, we unscrewed it and saw that the glass fuse in the rose fitting had blown. We replaced that, the lights came on, and then a couple of minutes later stopped working. The fuse had blown again. I replaced the fuse again and the lights worked for about an hour before failing again. I've not had an opportunity to get up on the ladder and see if the fuse has gone again. I've done some research on the internet, but have got no definitive answers to why this is happening. However, there is another possible issue that I've seen can be a contributing factor: the dimmer switch. It buzzes quite a lot. I can hear buzzing from both the switch and the light fitting, even though the lights aren't working. So, my question is whether the track needs replacing, the dimmer needs replacing, or if there is another electrical issue?
Hi, I'm Mike and I'll be assisting you. Please stand by while I review your question. The buzzing indicates a bad connection arcing. When that happens, there is a drop in voltage which causes a rise in amperage. The increase of amperage is what fails the fuse. Check all connections.
Hi Mike. What am I looking for? A loose wire or something else? Why would this happen after years of no issue? Hi Mike. I am unable to call you at present. Any quick advice on the above? Kind regards.
Over time, as wires heat and cool with use, they move and break poor connections. The problem gets worse with time and could present a fire hazard.
Thanks, Mike. I think I might need to get someone in to check this out in person, if there is danger of fire. Thank you for your help today.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.